to the channel. Today we'll be taking our sleeve measurement. So we will start by placing our tape rule on this part of the arm, this part, and we'll take our length. If you want it to be at the bicep, which is at this point, it will be 4.5 inch. If you want it to be at this mid part, it will be 8 inches. Then we'll place our tape rule, we take it to the elbow measurement. This is it. For her, as is 13.5. Then you can decide that this is where you want your sleeve to end. You can make it 18, which is this part, and you take from this part of the shoulder to the wrist. For her, it is 25. This is the wrist. Then now we'll now come over and take all the round measurement. For our biceps, locate the fullest part of the person's arm. Place your index finger in this way, in between, looking like this. And for her, we have a level. Make sure it is free. Or sometimes you can ask the person to brace their arm and make a fist, just this way. And you locate the fullest part. I still have a level. Then you now come and place your tape rule also at this part of the elbow. Also tell the person to make a fist, or to make it more, to flex it. So we have a level still. At this part also, you can tell the person to flex the elbow part. If you notice, if it's tight, it looks tight for her. If you make it 10, it will be too tight. So we have to make it free at this point, placing our elbow this way. This is a level. You can see it's going around. You can decide to place it down and also decide to flex it. It is free. Then you now come also at this point, you make sure it is free such that it can go through. If when she make a fist, do this, can come in, out, in, out. So we have 10.5 for this part. Same thing goes to the wrist. If it happens we are making a sleeve with an elastic band, you can make it 7.5. But if the sleeve has no button or has no elastic band, you have to release it a little. Tell the person to make their finger this way, or either they make a fist or this way, and run your tape rule and see if your tape rule will go out of it. So that is the best way you can take your sleeve measurement. Thank you.